up, you guys? Welcome back. Today you're going to be getting ready with me using the items in my April Boxycharm, and we're also going to have a fun girls' day with my niece Angel. So Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription. It's a really awesome box. I'm going to link it down below because you're guaranteed 5 full-size items. So let's first move the hair out of the way, and I'm going to start off with the primer from Smashbox, good for kind of minimizing the pores. Today I'm going to be using the Bye Bye Pores or Bye Bye Foundation from It Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend it out with a damp sponge from Sonia Kashuk. Now I'm opening the BrowGal, which I didn't realize is more of a tinted brow gel, which also contains microfibers, so I have to really draw on my brows. So I use the Makeup Revolution brow pomade, and then I use the BrowGal to set my brows and mimic some hair. As an eyeshadow primer, I went in with the Makeup Revolution concealer as a base to lay on my eyelids and blended it out with a damp sponge. Then I opened the Colourpop Golden State of Mind palette, which is in my April Boxycharm, but it has all metallics and shimmers, so I needed a cream color, so I just grabbed something from a different palette, and then I went in with the Profusion contour palette, just grabbed the matte brown and swept this as my transition shade. And then with my ring finger, I picked up the shade called Uptight, which is so pretty, so I just kind of dabbed it all over the lid, and it's really pigmented. It blends out really smoothly. And then I went in with Zero Clue right on the center to make the eyes kind of pop. Picked up a bit more of Uptight just so that I could blend the edges of Zero Clue together, and then I used a clean brush just to blend transition color and the lid color together. Took the Makeup Revolution C6 concealer, used it to conceal my under eye circles and highlighted. Then I set everything with the Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced. Today I used the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner with a felt tip to create a nice, sharp, precise wing. I couldn't remember where I placed my eyelash curler. Luckily I had this backup, which got the job done. And then I just applied generous coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm just gonna chisel out the cheekbones, bring back some warmth and definition back to the face using the Profusion Contour Palette. For blush, I decided to use Ulta Beauty's Mineral Blush in the shade Tiger Lily, which is so beautiful because it's a really neutral pink. And then for the highlight, this was included in the April Boxycharm. It's the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Exposed, which is so gorgeous. It gives a nice soft focus look, which is also buildable. Lashes today are from Mosquito. This is their newest line, the Unison lashes, and this is in the style Smoke and Fire. Applied it with the Lash Companion from Mosquito. The lippy today is also from my April Boxycharm. It's from the brand Adesse, New York. It's a high definition liquid lipstick. I don't know the name because it's not on the packaging, but it's a mauve pink, and it doesn't dry down matte. It has a little bit of a sticky feel and also a glossy finish. But to make things more interesting, I decided to use the newest jelly highlighter, which has a very unique texture to it because it's like a jelly. And this is in the shade Ruby Kiss Red, but it doesn't look red. It has more of like a pink iridescent hue, which is gorgeous. It's actually really, really beautiful. I was kind of skeptical when I first saw it, so I decided to use it as my highlight. I applied it over top the Tarte Exposed highlighter, and it gave it like a really unique iridescent glow because when the light catches it, it has different dimensions of pink. And I also decided to apply it over top of the liquid lipstick, and that really just took it up a notch. It's so pretty, and I absolutely love the way how it turned out. So that's pretty much it for my makeup today. I'm just gonna brush my hair and double check to make sure I don't need to apply anything else. Now I'm gonna head on down and spend some time with my niece Angel. I'm gonna go to the Container Store, grab a bite to eat, and just catch up.
I've been running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon. Jersey on the wall, where you been and what you up to? Too long.
Angel and I had a really fun time hanging out and catching up this afternoon. Now to kind of wind down the evening after I've already taken off my makeup, I'm going to use the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. It's a pore purifying mask, also from my April Boxycharm. Apply it right onto my nose to kind of declog that area, and then I'm gonna rinse it off about 10 to 15 minutes after, and that pretty much is it, you guys. Thank you so much for getting ready with me and hanging out for the afternoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe before you guys leave. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell notification to be notified of new uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Rearrange, chase it.